Okay, this is my 1995 Honda Prelude, Japanese import, bb4, 2.2 vtec, and like all Hondas, it has rust. Don't mind that blue crap on it, that's all coming off, but it had rust and we've done a very bad repair job on it. Very bad repair job. It's been sitting here for a while. It's been sitting here for a while anyway, but I need to start getting back onto this. I was saving up a bit of money to get the rust done after the bad job that we done. But this is my project. A little spider. Hello. Hello. Sorry, Mr. Spider, you're gonna have to move home. This is the interior. I have this solar charger hooked to the battery, and it just keeps the battery charged. So as you can see, all the crap I had to go through just to try and get in at the back of the rust, try and get in around to see where the rust was and how much I had to take off and all. But anyway, it's the full black dash. Full black dash. As you see, I've done a lot of stuff to it before now. Like, I put a Momo steering wheel in it, Apexi vtec controller, Skunk 2 high lift cams, stage 1, a Potenza flywheel, what else, a 5.2 final drive, an AEM V2 air intake. Trying to remember the rest of the stuff off the top of my head, but I can't. But I've done some cool stuff to it anyway. But it's just time to get it back on the road again. This is disgraceful. To leave it like this is just sad. Look at that. Fucking rust. The reason the rust was look at that. Basically, see all these little holes? All these little holes were from somebody I got to fix it, and what they done was they just drilled holes in it so that the filler would have somewhere to sit. So the rust obviously came back a few times, and every time I got it fixed they just kept adding on filler. And if I can, I'll insert some pictures of the amount of filler I was getting off this. But yeah, it was bad. Don't trust anybody else to do your work, but then when I do it myself, I do a shite job and I fuck it up. So it's yeah, anyway, it's just time to start. It's time to start doing stuff to it. Anyway. Okay, these wheels are JR15, 17 by 9 as far as I remember, and I got these maybe 2 years ago or so. I took these off, paint with all the bits of it, you can't really see it, but went bad anyway. I tried polishing it and all, I tried to repaint, but then after repainting them, you can't really see it in that one. After repainting them, they just didn't look right after repainting. So anyway, I'm taking them off to keep them in good condition. I think I drove the car for 2 weeks with them on it, and so I'm taking them off now, putting these ones back on. But that's fine. That's fine. That's punctured. That's punctured. So, like always, nothing is easy in the car world. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go. The next thing I'll be probably doing is bleeding the brakes, and maybe I'll give it a wash down to get rid of that mold off it as well. But that's it. Thanks for watching.